A very good morning, students. Continuing on online classes. Today we will be doing the next chapter, the title of which is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. This story is written by Mark Twain. The story of Tom Sawyer is about a little boy whose name is Tom. He has lost his parents and is staying with his Aunt Polly in a village. He is a very naughty, mischievous child, always up to some prank or the other. His Aunt Polly loves him a lot, however, does not want him to make any silly mistakes in life, does not want him to be mischievous, rules him with an iron rod, in which when he does something wrong, he is always punished. His favorite pastime is to steal jam which his Aunt Polly prepares and hides in the cupboard. Whenever he returns back from school, the first thing he does is to go there, put his greasy fingers in the jam jar, eats the jam. One day his aunt catches him eating the jam. She gets annoyed with him and she asks him, "What are you doing?" He doesn't reply anything, but when she sees him face to face, she realizes that he has stolen the jam and eaten, as the jam is stuck all over his face. He again makes a fool of her and then runs away. Aunt Polly realizes that too much of love and affection will not help this boy grow up in life, so she tells him that you are going to be punished. He feels that his Aunt Polly is just playing the fool with him and thinks of it in another way. Saturday being a holiday, he decides to go for swimming with his friends. However, he is in for a rude shock when his Aunt Polly decides that on Saturday, being a holiday, he will not go for swimming, he will not enjoy his holiday. In fact, he is going to paint the fence. On hearing the word to do work on a Saturday, he feels disheartened and feels that Aunt Polly is making a mole of a mountain hill. Aunt Polly does not listen to him and decides that this is the only alternative which will help him to become great in life. Saturday morning arrives. All the friends are enjoying the Saturday holiday except for Tom. Tom has been given a brush, a bucket of paint, and has been asked to paint the fence. He feels that he has been looted of his holiday, and as soon as he starts to paint the fence, his friend sees him. On seeing him, his friend sneers at him and tells him, "Tom, what are you doing? On a holiday you are painting." Tom realizes that if he tells him that his aunt has punished him by giving him this task, he will be offended. So he tells him that no, I am not doing any work. This is just pastime, just to enjoy myself. And I am enjoying it. His friend feels that maybe yes, it's a pastime and he's enjoying it. So why don't I also do something of this sort? He requests Tom to let him paint. Tom wants him to paint, but then he pretends that no, I will do the work on my own. He tells his friend, okay, if you need to paint, if you want to paint, and if you're so desperate to paint, then you have to give me something in return. His friend gives him an apple. He paints part of the fence. His other friends also come in one by one. On seeing his friend paint the fence, they also give him something to do the painting. By the end of the day, he has a bag of marbles, a rat, a piece of string, some chalk, a key that has no lock, a set of 6 firecrackers, a dog collar, a brass doorknob. And all this because he did not paint. He asked his friends to paint. Thank you.